Let me share. Yeah. So we have a regular agenda, but there are a couple more special topics. So we'll start our meeting. Meeting is called to order. Let's have 1 minute silence for world peace.
Yeah, while Kashi comes, Sir Vinay is the president of a new Rotary Club, which is formed of Excellers, all Excellers.
Is that so?
Yeah, across India, all Excellers across India.
Didn't know that.
Yeah, we recently formed this club in Bangalore, but it's a virtual club.
Badaiyo. Acha. Badaiyo.
We have, you might know, PNS, etc. They are all part of this club.
PNS is like younger brother to me.
Yeah.
This outstanding human being, boy.
Yeah. Sir, by the way, wherever I go, there is an 83 Exceller. There is one Sai Prakash of 83 batch is in Lagos with me, actually, here.
Okay. What's his name?
Sai Prakash.
Acha.
He is PNS classmate.
Okay. Ramki was his very close friend, but he lost him at an early age. PNS and Ramki. I don't
Venki, sir. Venki, not Ramki.
Venki. I'm really sorry, Venki.
Yeah.
Very unfortunate death. But
Very
anyway,
unfortunate.
So, Kashi, please, otherwise the world is में चला जाएगा. Time.
Hello. Next topic now. It's over to you, Nanda sir, for mental music. You have something to share, or?
Yeah, I will. So today, myself and President Kashi, we had a chat yesterday. We have a very loaded agenda today. So I'll be real quick. So for this week's mentor musings, I did a research to say what is the difference between Lions Club and Rotary Club. These are the two worldwide organizations that focus on, bringing people together, accomplish people in their and charge membership money, and then develop a platform for a lot of friendship among them, and then use that for service. So of course, I have been a Rotarian for more than 10 years. I have some data points here and there. So one of the key differences, of course, the age where Rotary is longer in terms of, the years of service, and number of people are more in Lions Club, for example. So it depends. And then the profile of members is a little different. But the key difference, I was told, is you can have a Lions Club of, say, all eye surgeons, right? You can have a Lions Club of all real estate folks. So it, in a way, becomes a sort of professional club extension. It becomes like a substitute for a professional body in a way, So you have to take an extra step to talk outside of your profession. That is a key difference, friends, in Rotary. So we encourage vocations from various departments, various lines of service, and it will be a huge list of vocations that are encouraged to join Rotary Club. And we are seeing a sample of that here. We have some software engineers, we have some management consultants, we have some real estate developers, we have some semiconductor people, we have some academicians, we have businessmen in a small 30 or 50 member or a 60 member club like ours, right? So that's the tagline that we keep hearing in Rotary discussions, that vocation makes the Rotarian, kind of. So why I mentioned this is, today, I'm sure you have seen in the last few meetings. So I particularly remember two things. So Jayanta Tiwari, he just saw one name, Sharad Sareen. Is it Professor Sharad Sareen of XLRI? Oh, my wife studied, and I was in Jamshedpur, working in Tata's Steel, and then we studied under him. Then Ramki looks at and then say, sir, you are my professor, And so today we are going to celebrate the vocational excellence in the second half, and do mull over this mentor musings thoughts that, it is the glory of our vocation that we bring to Rotary that gives prominence and the brand value to the Rotary at a club level, at the district level, and the world level. So with this, I'll hand you back to President, and I will come back again when we come to interaction with Professor Sharif Sareen. Back to you, President.
Thank you. Thank you, Ananta sir. Yeah, I think very aptly put the occasion and the Rotary philosophy there. And actually, yeah, I think I still remember actually when we started this new Rotary year, and then Sareen sir called me, and through Rotary only, right? I mean, he knew, he got my number, he called me, and he didn't say he wants to join our club meeting. So I never knew he was a professor or he was something like that. I just thought him as a Rotarian and invited him. And then subsequently he joined 2 meetings, 3 meetings, and slowly we came to know. So that's like the world is very small, right? So very rightly connects people that way. Thank you for today's mentor music. I'll give a brief intro. Originally we had planned to do a physical meeting, which was supposed to be last weekend as a plan of New Year, this thing, but because of lockdown we could not do. But I thought maybe we should use this opportunity to use an online platform and do this, which was as per the plan. And of course, we will do, it's a small bit from our club for Professor Sareen, who has achieved great in his career and his profession. But nevertheless, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce Professor Dr. Sareen. He's Professor Marketing and Strategic Management at XLRI. He's a senior faculty at XLRI, a leading private management institute in India. He was born in 1946. He's BE Electrical, MBA, IIM Ahmedabad, PhD in Marketing. He joined XLR in 1976, retired in 2016. He has been a visiting faculty at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Ranchi, IIM Kashipur, IIM Sirmote, University of Rhode Island, Kingston, USA, Colorado University, Helsinki School of Economics, Finland, SP Jain Global, Sydney. Professor Sareen's major area of interest, competition and globalization, strategic management, general marketing, B2B marketing, marketing's role in development, relationship marketing, and strategic marketing. Over the last 45 years, he has been involved in several consultancy assignments in marketing and strategic management. Professor Sareen also has been conducting training program for senior and mid-level business executives. In November 1995, he was named among the top 5 teachers of business management in India by Business Standard, the leading business daily newspaper in India. Professor Sareen is widely known as the originator of the novel concept of marketing fair. His articles have been published in many national and international journals. He has published 2 books, Strategic Brand Management for B2B Markets, Business Marketing Concepts and Cases. I think I have put a snippet of those 2 books on this. He's a Rotarian since 2000, Rotary Club of Jamshedpur. So it's my honor to introduce you, sir. And as a Rotary Club is very happy, Rotary Club of Mangalore Lakeside is very happy to give you this small token of excellence award. May I request our club trainer and mentor, Anantaji, to do the honors, please?
Sure. So congratulations, Professor. On behalf of the club, I read out the Vocational Excellence Award, Rotary Year 2021-22. Rotary Club of Bangalore Lakeside is proud to present Certificate of Excellence - Vocational Service Award to Professor Dr. Sharad Sareen for his outstanding and distinguished service contribution in the area of academic teaching of business management to the society for the Rotary Year 2021-2022. This is signed by Rotarian Kashinath Prabhu, President of this year, and Abhilasha Pandit, Secretary of this year, the Changemakers 3190 district. We are making arrangements to visit you in person as soon as possible next week and we'll be handing this over in person to you. And with your permission, I have been asked to conduct a few minutes of discussion with you, sir. But first, your opening remarks.
Can you all hear me?
Yes.
So I'm totally humbled. I do not know how to even open my mouth. Totally, I just have no words to. And this came as a big surprise, sir. But let me begin with usual way I begin my classes, in which I pose a question to, and I don't consider people sitting in front of me as students. I always say, you are my gurus. And some of them, they don't believe what I'm saying. And recently I am still teaching a course at IIM Sirmaur, which is next to Shimla Hills. And I use the same word that you are my gurus. Sabke sab mere se naraj ho gaye. But truly speaking, I have no words, but all that I wanted to say that I am so happy that I am in a town, Jamshedpur, created by Tatas. And perhaps there is no better story of whatever word you use, entrepreneurship, charity, donations, societal service, is Tatas. And I was fortunate to be in that town for 45 years. And then Accelerate itself is in several ways a service to the society. Can you all hear me?
Yes, yes.
So, one quiz. Which year do you think Accelerate began? The gentleman who's saying we'll have a club of Accelerate, tum batao, which year Accelerate began? और तुमको नहीं मालूम होगा तो मैं झूठ भी बोल सकता हूँ.
1948, sir.
तुम तो मिस कर गए एक साल.
Yeah, by the way, PNS also joined. PNS also joined the call.
Abhi?
Yeah, yeah.
So it was 1949. 1949.
49, yeah.
And in that sense, the oldest business school of our country. And why did it begin? It was at the request of the House of Tatas. And they wanted to train the trade union leaders. Jesuits had come to Jamshedpur and they wanted to train trade union leaders such that they can become better to bargain on behalf of, fill up the blank.
Tatas.
No.
No.
Yes, but please feel free to participate, doesn't matter. On behalf of, not Tata, on behalf of workers.
But workers of Tata, right?
Yeah, Tata Steel.
Okay.
So that is the seed of Tatas. So I feel myself so fortunate that one is staying in that town for 45 years. Service to the society. Nothing comes even if you talk to Ratan, who's now 85 years old, nothing comes to his mind except serve society, serve society. So I was so fortunate, and if PNS, I don't see him, but so and can you would not believe.
Sir, I am not in a position to come on the video. I am listening, sir. PNS, yeah.
Sir, I am totally obliged. So, and where did Accelerate first classes were held?
In the hotel,
The
sir.
administration office.
अरे PNS
No, 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 in the
association.
hotel.
Hotel. I think
Yes.
Boulevard Hotel.
Boulevard Hotel.
First one, okay, Boulevard.
Yeah, Boulevard Hotel. Boulevard Hotel.
Yeah, right.
Boulevard Hotel.
And Boulevard Hotel is a creation of Ronnie DeCosta, who is one of
Yeah.
Ronnie
the
DeCosta.
directors of our club. And Ronnie's father had this club. Until date, that club is there. Sorry,
Excellent.
hotel is there.
Hotel
And
is
we
there.
began
Boulevard.
classes in Hotel Boulevard for 2 years to 3 years.
Yeah, 51, 52.
So when people ask me, sir, do you have an example of stretch goal? Stretch, turn, you understand? Stretch goals, way
Yeah.
beyond what is possible within you, way beyond. So stretch goal is something which today CEOs coaxing or asking their seniors to go beyond what they are thinking. But to my mind, excellent example of stretch goal with limited resources, whether it was the priest or the rooms or a classroom, to my mind is XLRI. We began with 40 students and so forth. Today we have a huge campus in which at any point of time, 1,000 plus students can stay. I don't think, and why I'm saying this, that we have not borrowed a single penny. We have not borrowed a single penny from anybody. At one point of time, our father Tom, who was an excellent communicator, he used to be worried क्या मैं किसको कैसे पैसा दूंगा, salaries को, teachers को, faculty members को, पैसा ही नहीं होता था. And now, of course, and in those days I used to call XLRI is a poor institute of rich students. By 76 I joined XLRI, and from that point of onwards, many government came, Bihar government came, Lalu came, किसे थोड़ा तो पैसा ले लो. Sorry sir, we didn't. And today we have a huge campus, all made through our own resources. I don't think there is any other better example than this kind of a creation for society and finally generating the wealth. 1,000 students, PNS in 1983. And I was so fortunate to have interacted with geniuses like PNS. So, two or three things that I feel obliged is that I was very fortunate to get a close interaction with many of the outstanding NGOs. And one outstanding NGO that I studied in women empowerment. Anybody who can give me an excellent example of women empowerment?
I will say Lijjat Papad movement.
तुमने मेरा केस पढ़ लिया है क्या? Yes, it is. You can't. I have spent hours and hours together in their offices in opposite Bandra. पहले बांद्रा में छोटी सी दुकान में ही ऑपरेट करते थे. So 1950, 87, around 87, I got a chance to develop an article for a global conference on marketing and its role in development. आप लोग क्लास में या सो गए हैं?
क्लास में है सर.
क्लास में है.
पक्का? हाँ तो
ये देखो
So somewhere around mid-80s, I got a chance to develop a case on marketing and its role in development. and development in Indian terms is creating and generating employment. So I made an attempt to know a little more about this organization. I had not known, but I had heard of their listed branch. I went to their office, and I'm very old gentleman I met, Papa Datta Rani Baba. And first thing he mentioned to me, and till date I remember that he is no more. All his photographs are there in every office of Elizabeth House. उन्होंने कहा दत्तानी बाबा ने कि हम लोग we don't ask for donations. हमारे समझ नहीं आ रही है बात. आप इतने पुअर लोग हो और डोनेशन नहीं, किसी से चैरिटी नहीं. हमने थोड़ा और प्रोब करा, तब बात निकल के आई कि फ्रॉम डे वन ये 7 सिस्टर्स जिन्होंने गिरगांव, जिन्होंने बॉम्बे देखा है, बॉम्बे के जो चार्ट्स हैं जिसमें एक किसी जमाने में धीरू भाई भी रहते थे, वो बात की बात है. उस गिरगांव के चार्ट में 7 sisters पापड़ बेल के to augment their earnings, पापड़ को पहले छत पर सिखाया और फर्स्ट लॉट में उन्होंने 200 या 300 पापड़ बनाए. And till today, now Lizard is more than 50 years old Sahasra. Till today, they have not borrowed a penny. All self-generated resources and kind of women empowerment they have developed through leadership, through education. So I was so fortunate to get a chance to study this organization. मेरा चेहरा मत दिखाओ यार, मेरे को बहुत
Excellent, sir. I am also in training activities, so I keep listening to some conference sentences. And today you gave a great dialogue, sir. I had once heard a great teacher is a permanent student and a part-time teacher. So like that, today I heard a sentence from you that, those who are sitting in front of you are your gurus. So we have few of them here, and I keep hearing the word Ramki, Vinay, PNS. I think he is probably not fully known as PN Subramaniam. So on behalf of Rotary Club, I invite you all to share from the student's perspective. I am almost getting a feel that what it would have been to sit in your class. I know we missed it, but Ramki can fill in for us. What was your experience, Ramki, when you were in the classroom with Professor Sarin?
Good.
Sarin sir is PNS will, I think PNS is actually better because he interacted since 83 with Sarin sir. And of course, Sarin sir was a legend when we went in 96, much later, 20 years. By then, he was there for 20 years. But one thing, Professor Sarin says, he is from IMA. They say that business schools have competition and all. But Professor Sarin says, though he is from IMA, his heart is with XLRI. Yeah, you keep saying that. I heard you many times saying that, sir. And another small thing. I mean, it's not just studies and all. Professor Sarin is also. I mean, when we have a batch, right? There is a end of the term. There is a bash Professor Sarin organized for all the students. So that's an informal one, which is very popular, by the way. It's a fun fact there. It just says that, I mean, he is also, it's not just as a professor and guru, he is there for his students whenever they need him. PNS, you want to say a few things?
Yeah, yeah, Ramki. So during our days, I still remember during the case discussions, Professor Sarin never used to be happy with what we contribute. And he used to continuously say, I want something more. That rings a bell in my ears. And that is when he was, like he is saying, stretch goals. That is where he was stretching us beyond and beyond and beyond, so that all the innovative, creative abilities come to the surface. And one wants to, sort of, in a positive sense, beat the other, and then come out with some suggestions and ideas, and used to put all on the board, and then finally sum it up. So what I learned from that is that you just don't look at what is on the surface, and you have to go really deep and then analyze. And that is, I think, a great experience, which I used to tell him also post Excel. And then I was a Maxi secretary and Maxi treasurer. So I had enormous interactions with him during those days. And I'm very lucky and honored to be connected with him all through. Whenever he used to come to Chennai, he used to call me. And then we used to go and then have a lunch or dinner or something of that sort. It continues. Of late, because of COVID, we've not been able to meet. But I feel very, very thrilled that, I studied under Professor Sareen, especially industrial marketing and business strategy. These two areas, it was we learned enormous amount there. And that's what probably gave us the opportunity to grow in life, in corporate as well as in entrepreneurial kind of career. Thank you, sir. Thanks again. And what we learned in those days, those young, impressionable kind of days, is what matters, right? So he was a great guru, though he says we were gurus, and that's how he was extracting from us. He will just not leave. He will just say, I want something more. That rings in my ear every time I think of him.
Excellent.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, PNS.
PNS, by the way, Professor Sareen was saying you are like his younger brother. Before
I
he
was
joined.
about to say that. He always used to introduce me to be like his younger brother, which is a great honor.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And another important point is the Maxi Fair, which Kashi mentioned. We are talking of gamification and all those aspects now. And Professor Sareen started this. Sir, I'm sorry. When was the Maxi Fair started?
1979.
1979. Wow.
This year we are celebrating 43rd marketing fair.
Yeah. Imagine the Maxi Fair is a gamification of marketing research.
Right.
Yeah. Through a kind of fairs which India is known for. Yeah. It's a very creative and innovative concept, but conceptualizing it in 70s, imagine. More than 40 years back.
Excellent.
43 years back.
So, Professor, I promise you that I will become your student today by buying those books and read. And on behalf of virtual student community, I salute you with our Indian traditional way. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sachat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So if I can conclude the interview with last few questions. Sir, what is your observations about interaction between Rotary and academia, Rotary and colleges?
See, at least in a town like Jamshedpur, where very few academicians were members of Rotary Club, to begin with you. And I was very fortunate because Ronnie was then president of Jamshedpur Club, and he breeds societal culture in him. Ronnie so insisted कि तुम join करो Rotary, 2000 की बात है. अब तक I don't think there are 3 or 4 professors who have joined. So answer your question, not much have come from XLRA and 7 clubs, but I don't think 3 or 4 could be the members for all the 7 clubs. So in terms of interaction, very little. Maybe in terms of guest speakers, like what happens in one of those sessions, that happens, but also very limited, very limited. I don't know why it happened. तुमने एक क्यों question पूछा मेरे को?
No, because you are both an academician and a Rotarian.
हम यही तो मैंने बोला था यार, I'm so fortunate
So actually, sir, there is a good news in terms of using technology. I am aware of this. Vinay, I would like to conclude with Vinay speaking about the initiative of all the ex-SLRI students. I don't know what they're referred as, coming together to start a virtual Rotary Club. I am not aware of any alma mater doing that. So Vinay, if you can unmute and conclude to say what is this initiative of E-Club?
So before anything else,
Go ahead, sir.
76, before 76, XLRI is the only place in the world, I would say, where the social interaction amongst the student community is very intense. Very intense. This kind of environment, UPNS can endorse that. It's not available in any of the IIMs. They live in silos.
Yes, sir. In
XLRI.
fact, when Professor T.V. Rao came for a year to Excel from IMA, he used to tell us that you guys have your behavioral aspects, interpersonal, within an organization and all will be so good. You guys will be very, very successful, is what he said. And I think that is a very good observation from his point. Even today, the kind of camaraderie or kind of relationship we have, how we help each other, I think has sort of come out from that kind of training and teaching.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, so well said, sir. I can tell you from my personal experience. After XLRI, I joined in Chennai, and Venki and PNS took me. They were my mentors at that point of time, and I don't know what Venki thought, but we immediately gelled well. And when I came to Lagos, all the way to Nigeria, there is this 83 batch never leaves me, or I don't leave them. The Pinky and PNS classmate Sai is here, and he is like my elder brother. I mean, my son goes to him because he doesn't have any other family. He is his family.
Excellent. So thank you very much, sir. And again, we appreciate that you are accepting this award on behalf of Rotary Bangalore Lakeside. And I promise you that.
And Srimati ji, Mani Ajo, please.
Yes, madam.
I want her also to be part of.
Namaskar.
Ma'am. Yeah.
Namaste.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, we will ensure that I edit out this video, the interview part, and your remarks, and we will circulate this in the XLRI community as well. And we'll be eagerly looking forward to Chai Par Charcha in your house, and where we personally will hand this over. Again, hearty congratulations, and again, you have honored us by accepting it. And with this, I'll hand it back to the President Kashi to continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Indrani ma'am, you want to say something?
Yeah, but can you hear me?
Yes.
Now we can.
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
Can you hear me? I think there is some connectivity problem, I think. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we are able to hear you.
I just wanted to say my husband had worked with Dr. Sareen a number of times in many places. So I just wanted to say thank you on his behalf from my husband's side. And that's it.
What was his name?
IDC, and he had worked with many groups, and
Now, what is his name?
Mr. Shukriyo Chaudhary, if he remembers, or if you mention Dr. Zahid Khanji, they were together, worked with Professor Sareen. You know, that was really great. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for moderating that, Anantaji.